Hello, Chef here. What do I have here? Oh, an awesome heirloom tomato. Look at that beauty. So people often ask me, what do I do with leftovers? And that's what this video is all about here. I've got this leftover piece of steak. I'm going to make steak and eggs. You don't need a lot of steak when you make really good steak and eggs because the steak is mostly providing just amazing flavor. So first thing I like to do is smash my garlic. And once I smash my garlic, that's going to get put in my egg skillet along with the steak. And we're going to brown it up a little bit, release some of that awesome flavor. So the garlic just gets chopped up like this, a little bit. The steak gets sliced thin, okay, kind of like this. Yeah, leftovers can be amazing if you know what you're doing and you follow the right steps. There we go, looking really good. By the way, that's about 4 ounces of steak right there. Okay, at this point, this is a fast recipe, follow along here. At this point I'm moving over to my egg skillet and we're going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Medium heat. Garlic goes in. As soon as it begins to brown, steak goes in. Got some leftover asparagus, more leftovers. I like to give it just a little chop like this. Diced tomato. Okay, at this point I like to remove my ingredients, put them on a nice clean pan like this. Oh yeah. And I'm going to continue by cooking my eggs. Using 2 large eggs today. Okay, the egg's starting to get brown around the perimeter. We flip it, just like that. Sometimes you want to use a spatula, a little bit too. And you let it cook. Okay, right now the ingredients go back in. Yeah, looking really, really good. Okay, today I'll be serving my eggs, leftover steak and eggs, just like this. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, the fresh grated stuff. As well as a couple of green olives. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us what else you want to see. Steak and eggs. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. This is edge grain maple with mineral oil finish. A little bit rougher, great for cutting, chopping, cooking on. This is also edge grain maple. This one's been oiled a little bit more. Moving on, we've got edge grain walnut with a smooth varnish finish. And we have edge grain cherry with a smooth varnish finish. Okay, this is a food safe varnish, really nice. Wanted to show you these colors. Also, there's a few different base models here. So sometimes people order butcher blocks and they come with legs and bases. So this is useful gray stain, pretty nice. And this is cherry stain, very popular. This is French roast, also popular. Black. So this is the barn red, very popular. Barn red and maple look great together. French roast and maple look great together. Cherry stain and maple look great together. Useful gray and maple look great together. And I got one more for you, the ever popular black and maple. I like it. Also black and cherry, very popular. Looks really nice together, you can see that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and shop American. Buy made in the USA. This is quality, people. Quality, made to last. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between American cherry. This is American cherry with the food safe varnish finish, and this is American cherry with just regular mineral oil finish. It's a little dry, ready to be oiled. I just wanted to show you the difference next to each other here, okay? If you need to get either of these woods or quotes, just contact your sponsor. And this is made in the USA, super high quality. This is a slight eased edge right here. It's just sanded very, very slightly. And wow, beautiful wood. I love it. Great for an office, desk, bar top, kitchen countertops, or whatever. Contact your sponsor to get pricing today. Have a great day.